Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Welcome, friends, to this moment of reflection and connection. Today, we will dive together into the strength and powerful message of Psalm 70, a source of hope and comfort for those facing urgent causes. We invite you to join us in this time of deep prayer, where we seek strength and guidance. Psalm 70 is a lamentation of King David. An anguished plea for help to the Lord, for he feels suffocated by enemies in his path who were persecuting him unjustly. In his moment of greatest anguish, David urgently cries out to the Lord and asks his Father to help him. Justify yourself before your enemies. Then this psalm very well reflects anguish that we all experience in the face of waiting for God to act. David wrote this psalm when he was being persecuted by Saul. Prayer from Psalm 70. Deliver me, O God. Hurry, Lord, to help me. Let those who seek to take my life be humiliated and frustrated. Let those who wish my ruin retreat in contempt. Let those who mock me turn away in disgrace. But let all those who seek you rejoice and be glad in you. Let those who love your salvation always say, "How great God is." As for me, I am poor and needy. Hurry up, O God, you are my help and my deliverer. Lord, don't delay. So if you are going through a trying time where it seems like you won't be able to bear it, know that it is through your faith that you will connect with God. God knows your pain, and you can be sure that He will recognize that you truly believe in your power. So don't be afraid and don't doubt, even if it seems like you're not having the faith you'd like. Keep going believing. Continue waiting with confidence in the Lord even if the people around you don't believe together with you, even if they discourage you. Continue with your faith in the Lord because God knows what is best for you and Him. He didn't take His hands off your life. He is protecting you, giving you deliverances, and the evil one will not touch you. That is the promise of the Lord. Amen. As our prayers echo, we trust in the strength of Psalm 70 to guide us in our urgent causes. May your words inspire us to face challenges with courage and faith. May we find comfort in the knowledge that we are not alone, for we are enveloped by divine love and grace. May this moment of connection strengthen us and prepare us for the days to come. So be it. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share and activate the bell.